So what you got planned on after you have me do your makeup up?
I'm gonna look for a sugar daddy on Hollywood Boulevard.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's a
For a
long
woman
drive.
at such a young age to come out here by yourself.
I was raised a hustler.
Oh, that Kylie Muscle guy? Yeah, I talked to him last time. Told him he needed to do makeup tutorials to really get his channel booming. His body is nice. He look like an alien and all that. But that's not what we want to see on this platform. Hey, Mr. YouTube.
Hey, Mr. Kylie Muscle. You came back on out, huh?
Thanks for seeing me today. I really appreciate it on this short notice. But I took notice to your email and I'm here today to shoot that video, man. Me and my producer here, and we was like, man, we want to get higher on the algorithm, so we got to listen to Mr. YouTube's advice. So, hey, I hope this will make you happy. I have my friend here, Molly.
Oh, what's Molly? Wow, she's stunning, man.
She's gonna be my model today. I'm using the Kylie lip liner, the Morphe.
What? You collaborated with Kylie and Morphe? Oh, okay, now, that's huge.
And man, I wanna impress you so you can get me higher on the algorithm.
Oh yeah, I'll make sure we get you higher up on the algorithm there.
Thank you, man. And come check me out when you get a chance, all right? I'll be in the other room.
Oh, sure. I'll come stop by and see how you're going to hook that beautiful Molly up.
Hey guys, how you doing today? I'm Kylie Muscle. Welcome to my channel. This here is my friend Molly.
Hello, everyone.
And she agreed on short notice, I mean short, to come in and let me do her makeup. Isn't that right, Molly?
That's right.
I appreciate you for that because, you know, YouTube has put some demands on me that I gotta adhere to. So I'll be doing her makeup today and I'm going to have her looking exquisite. I mean, if you see this jawline, it's perfectly aligned. We're gonna use some Kylie Jenner lip fillers to puff up the lips a little bit, give her a nice shadow. So we're gonna start off with right here, the bronzer. And this here by BB Sun Kissed Glow Bronzer. And we're gonna get her started off with that. We're gonna use a thick brush. So I want her to kind of blend in, you know, put a little color on her because she's kind of pale, you know. So what you got planned on after you have me do your makeup up?
I'm gonna look for a sugar daddy on Hollywood Boulevard.
Oh yeah? Oh, that's nice. So you got a boyfriend or are you single?
No, I'm single right now.
Oh, okay. So you just moved to Hollywood, huh?
Yeah, just came out here.
So what's your objective out here?
I want to be a model, an A-list actress.
Oh, you gonna be a A-list actress.
Yeah.
That's wonderful.
Thank you.
Well, so are you planning on doing YouTube or not?
I'm not for sure about YouTube. I want to be
There we
in
go.
big
You're
movies.
looking good now.
Oh,
We're
thank
getting
you.
it together. Get that forehead. Make sure we don't get your hair in there.
Okay.
You're looking nice. Come together nicely.
Thank you.
Well, get that jawline. You have a beautiful jawline, by the
I
way.
appreciate that. Thanks a
You
lot.
know, so we come over here, do like that. Oh yeah, let's come together, girl. Yeah. So you moved out here by yourself?
All by myself.
Whew, I give you kudos. That take a lot
Yeah, it's a
for a
long
woman at
drive.
such a young age to come out here by yourself.
I was raised a hustler.
Yeah, it takes a lot. You just got to be careful out here not to fall a victim into the madness, as they say, of Hollywood, which I haven't saw. Because, you know, I'm not the partying type now.
Me neither.
I have my twins.
Ah,
And so I think we're going to go a little darker. Let's
Okay.
see. Just a tad bit. There we go. Oh, that's looking beautiful. Get you around the ears over here. We don't want you, you know, looking like how some of these women look that don't do their makeup, go out, bare face, looking like a monster, you know.
no, we don't want that. I don't want to look like a
Why
monster.
would you go out looking like that? All it takes is a woman should be able to do her makeup in what, 10, 15 minutes? It's just pure laziness if you go out and don't do your makeup, right?
It is. Pure lazy.
So now we're going to come with the Morphe Right here, we have the Morphe eyeshadow palette.
I love Morphe.
So with your skin tone, we want to come and we want to do you a little kind of orangish reddish blush
Okay.
right here. You know, we want to eyeshadow it up right there, then blend it in. There you go. Get that eyeshadow right there. Then we're gonna blend it in real nice. Go give you some eyebrows after that.
Okay, I like your technique.
There we go. Oh yeah, it's come together, sweetie. You gonna be killing them out here. You gonna be killing them out here in Hollywood. Want to get that blend in there real nice. There you go. So now we're gonna come with the Kylie's, the special. Thank you. I want to thank Kylie for sending me this personally because she heard that I was doing this tutorial. So she sent me the lipstick. You know, this is this right here, man, the people was like doing wild things to get this, man. So thank you for sending it to me, Kylie. Appreciate that. So we coming here on the lips real high and tight. You wanna come right there. You wanna get that real tight on the edge right there. Like that. You know. So you wanna line them up with that like that. Then we come with the real deal right here, that blush right here. This is the secret, guys. So you come right here, get that little filler up in there. Then she gotta pucker up a little bit when she get a chance. She gonna pucker them up so it all smooth out. Look at that, come on, man. Come on, man, my girl come together, man. She come together, look at her. And once she pucker them up, it's a done deal. You know, so we come right there with that. Let's see what you need. You need some eyeliner, baby.
Oh yeah, let me get some eyeliner.
Right here we have the Alyssa Edwards, and this is the eyeshadow. And this is really gonna tie everything in right here. You know, we're gonna give her a little brow right there because her brow's not too shapely right now. Give her a little brow. You want the new style, so you want it curved kind of right there and come in tight. Look at that, man. My girl bad out here. Killing them, baby. You go get you a rich man out here looking like this.
That's what I need.
All the ballers gonna want you. You ain't gonna even have to work. Ooh, let them pop a baby in you good to go.
You're funny,
Look at my
Tommy.
girl, man. Come on, y'all. Hey, y'all can't deny it, man. I put this girl together, man. Huh? She was already beautiful, but I'm just putting the final touches on it.
Oh, thank you.
So we're gonna give her a little more blush over here. And watch how I hit these cheekbones up. Pow. Look at them cheekbones. We hit them cheekbones. We get that little, it's a little right there, a little purplish color. Pow. It really make them pop right there. I learned this move from James Charles. You know, I had to go and check him out because, you know, he was all in trending. And YouTube told me that, let me see, baby. I might have to hit you from this side, baby. Yeah, and so YouTube, they told me to go study James and make sure that, you know, I can come half the close of what he doing with the contouring and the lip work. You know what I mean? We want to blend that in a little bit right there. See that? You got to make the sound effect with it. Right there. Look at my girl, man. Look at my girl, man. Come on now, Molly. I was thinking of another Holly, you know,
Holly?
I used to work with before.
Mm.
But man, let's see what my girl, what else she need. I think she in it to win it, man. Get some more blush right there. See, this how you gotta hold the brush too. You gotta hold it like a professional right there. You know what I'm saying? Get a little right there. Come on. What? Look at my girl, man. Huh? Come on now.
I look pretty.
Molly, you killing them, baby.
Thank you, Kelly. I look nice.
You is killing them, girl. Look at that, man.
Oh, you
Come
making
on,
me
man. I'm
blush.
professional over here. So, you know, we gotta make sure that the YouTube guy approve of, you know, this. So he
Okay.
gonna come in right now and check us out, all right?
Okay,
Make sure you
Kelly.
smile. Tell him this is the best makeup job you ever got, all
Oh,
right?
I will. It is the best makeup job.
Hey, Mr. Kylie Muscle.
What you think, man?
Oh, looking good, looking good.
Oh, yeah? You gonna hype me up on the algorithm?
Oh yeah, we gonna take you up, man. We gonna get you on trending.
What? Oh, so I'm just not gonna be in the fitness realm no more, or bodybuilding stuff?
Oh yeah, man, I'm proud of you. That's a nice job right there you did on Molly.
Oh, I appreciate that, Mr. YouTube.
Oh yeah, the higher up, I got them under my bag.
Thank you, man.
Hey, keep up the great job, and I guarantee you're gonna see your channel quadruple. All right, buddy.
We did it.
You did it.
We did it. Come on,
Yes.
man. I'm gonna look out for you. Anytime you hard up and need a bill paid,
Yeah.
Hollywood, I'll look out for you,
Oh,
girl.
thank you,
You
Kelly.
go get your YouTube started?
Yeah,
Okay, I'll be there for you.
Oh,
So that's it, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Come on, man. Any ballers out there? Any sugar daddies? Hey, my girl Molly ready, man. She wanna be an A-list actress. Any agents out there, managers, look her up, man. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hey, one thing in life, we gotta do what we gotta do to survive, man. You know what I mean? And I'm not ashamed of nothing I do in life. Little makeup tutorial, baby. I does it all. Kylie Bustle, jack of all trades. So with that, let's tell him, Molly, if you mad at us and our makeup tutorial, you are mad at yourself. Come on, Molly, let's go, baby.
For more great videos from Kali Muscle, hit the subscribe button or click the video now.